On here, I'm doing a video on how GetResponse has evolved in 2019 in regards to their email marketing, their sales funnel creation, their social media, and how it's more and more becoming a all-in-one platform for your digital marketing services that you're either providing to clients or you're using in your own internet business. So I want to just share it with you because they've done some major upgrades. I think it's definitely worth considering moving to. And someone I'm already using GetResponse already. So let me just show you what I've got here. So first of all, I'll take you through the pricing just to compare a few things and to see what the features are. So you've got three levels. There's the basic, essential, and professional. So the basic is just email marketing, landing pages, web forms, and surveys. Automation gives you welcome and thank you emails, drip campaigns, email autoresponders, how many clicks, how many opens, tagging, and so on. The essential has email marketing, landing pages, auto funnel. So this is really the equivalent of a sales funnel. Also lets you have webinars and web forms and many other things here in terms of the tracking, the coding, abandoned order mails, and a CRM as well. Now the thing about this auto funnel is really quite unique. Okay, so the professional has even more. But let me show you a couple of things. First of all, this is for contacts of up to 1,000 people. Now let's go from pricing perspective, comparing it to ClickFunnels, for example. Let's say we have 50,000 subscribers. The pricing of the Essential is actually the same as ClickFunnels, but you actually get the email autoresponder included as part of it. And you're getting the auto funnel. And this is really the main thing I want to share with you. So I want to share with you this auto funnel. What does it actually mean? Okay, because that's, I think, where the value proposition for GetResponse is really increasing. Okay. So I'll show you my account, okay? So let's go to, you see I've got all the statistics here and so on. You have here a training course on how to build a list as well, which is excellent. There's an affiliate program to invite friends and introducing auto funnel. So let's go to get started. And let me just show you, I just did a test to see what it's like, okay? So we can go to here. So I open this, right? And now, first of all, it lets you basically create a landing page, send an autoresponder, add an offer page, and add a thank you page, and actually track the revenue and everything. So you literally create a landing page. So I'm just going to literally go through the templates here and so on. So you have the templates. You can get ebooks downloadable, online courses, services, physical products, and webinars. So let's just pick something, right? So eliminate wasted ad spend, testing for video. Okay, so this is what it would look like. And it is a thank you page as well. Click next step. It's loading. Now you can see what it looks like both on laptop or computer or desktop, or what it looks like on mobile as well. So you can actually see both versions. You could do A/B split testing here. So variant A, variant B. Thank you page will be the same. Excuse the speed here. Okay, so you can make the adjustments and everything, add to cart, buttons, all that stuff, right? So that's fine. You could do settings, testing video description, cookie notification, upload image, all that stuff, right? So anyway, you could play around with all that. Let's say next step. Now, once you've done that, it will ask you to obviously choose the landing page or assign a domain. So that's all that you could do that. I'll just leave it as it is here, right? So we'll call it testing video. Thank you page will be a sales page, okay? Or it can be a stay on the current page or an order form or a custom thank you or whatever, right? So let's choose a sales page. You can add the analytics, retargeting, and so on. Good, so that landing page is done. So let's click it and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. Looks good. Now, what you want to do is now it lets you set up an autoresponder, right? So you can create an autoresponder and you can actually create emails one by one, basically. Okay, so you just create the autoresponder and so on. This takes a little bit to do. I've got other tutorials on that. Okay, so you do that. And that's part of the funnel is now done. Then you've got the next step of the funnel, which is add an offer page. Now the offer page, you can actually choose something. So you can create the sales page here. Okay, and we'll use the same thing. There you go. This is the landing page, order form as well. Video testing. It will load. You can edit it. On. So we've done the landing page. We got created the email sequence. We're creating the sales page. We're getting to the order form as well. So here you go. Here's what it looks like. Enroll now. Now I created a product, right? So because I added only one product so far in my store, this is the store that it shows. So it shows this course that I put together, right? And I can add all the information. Okay, so I've already connected my Stripe, I connected my PayPal and all that. So I can adjust everything according to this particular product, which is a YouTube course that I put together. Okay, next step. Okay, so you can add the remarketing and so on, Facebook Pixel, all that stuff. Publish. Good. Say thank you, add a thank you page. You're in, and so on. Okay? So this is all done just like that, and you literally create a funnel. Okay? Now you might be wondering, let's just, I gotta give it a name, sorry. Oh, looks like I'm gonna just skip that. Okay, so here's the purchase of the order. Next step. And so on. Publish. Perfect. So you've got the whole funnel created. It's all done. I've integrated the PayPal and Stripe and all that, so that's all done. Now let's go back to my funnels. So here you'll see, when I click this, stores and products. So this is a new feature. Now I've created here a store, an online store, and I created a course here, right? So it can actually show you the course, all the information, and so on. So the product, I added the information, the price, I uploaded the image. I can redirect them to buy the course elsewhere, which is what I did, and what email list I want to add them, and if I want to add them to a specific sequence as well, okay? So that's all done. And that's the beauty of this. It's actually got everything. You can have a store, your CRM, your webinars, your autoresponder, your email marketing if you want to send broadcasts, your funnel creation, landing pages, and so on. Soon there is Facebook ads as well that are coming out. And also there is one other feature which is super awesome, which is actually, I'm pretty sure it's on the phone actually. Let me just check. Let me just find it. Maybe I deleted the app. Oh yeah, there you go. It's an app called Social Ads, and it's basically creating social media posts on from your GetResponse account. So I'll show you. So basically, you can create. It literally walks you through what to do. Text, image, hooray, it's done, and so on. Let's start. Select. So you can choose what you want to select. You can choose if it's events, if it's e-commerce, so on. So let's say it's real estate. So I'm going to choose real estate. If you could see it, real estate. Good. And then you can choose the sizes. If you want it horizontal, you want it, for Instagram, whatever sizes you want to have it. And you literally create posts, basically. So it's really good, actually. But what it does is it just lets you create social media posts that you can then automatically upload to your social media. So that's another thing, and that's kind of another thing that GetResponse are adding. So that's what I'm saying. It's becoming an all-in-one platform, okay? All-in-one digital marketing platform. Social media post creation, Facebook, that's coming out soon, auto funnel, which is like sales funnel, and so on, email autoresponder, and an online store as well as webinars, which they already have, CRM, and all that. So anyway, that's like a little update on GetResponse. If you're interested in getting it, I will leave my affiliate link as well for you to get it. If you have any questions, let me know. In terms of bonuses for using my affiliate link, what I'll do is, if you're going to sign up using my link, just let me know that you signed up. And then what we'll do is we'll do a quick consult on your online business to see what you need help with, what other resources you need, and so on. Because actually GetResponse kind of gives you everything, you know what I mean? So what I'll do, I'll probably, if there's, let's say you really need some help with your YouTube channel, you want to build something on that, I've got the YouTube course, happy to give it to you for a very, very big discount or for free, depending on I'll have a chat with you to see. And, I've got other products and courses and some which I've put together, other trainings. So we'll discuss, and I'll give you some sort of a freebie as a bonus for having signed up using my affiliate link, give you a bit of a consult on what to do and so on. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm pretty sure it is a 30-day free trial anyway, no credit card required to get started with GetResponse, and you can test out everything they've got for you. Hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.